All right, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel training. In this video, we're going to be looking at the hyperlink function. The hyperlink function is a lookup and reference function. The function creates a clickable link that opens websites, documents, email addresses, or navigates to other sheets within a workbook. So what you do to make this clickable is by creating a URL for your data or file path or a cell reference. And then, of course, it supports friendly text for clean presentation. It's useful for dashboards, reports, and navigation. Combines well with the if and the concatenate for dynamic links. So the hyperlink function enhances interactivity and improves navigation in Excel workbook. So let's look at an Excel example and see how this. So I'm going to use this to open a file, and I already have provided my link. So you're going to put equals hyperlink. So let me just so equals hyperlink. And then the link location is, so I'm going to copy, so I can reference this, I can reference it. And then the friendly name will be maybe my book. Okay, so once I click this, okay, so let me just, I doubted that. So let me just copy this and put that and put that link, and there you go. So open the book and it opens the PDF file. Okay, so that's the book that I have. That's all right. So that is a link that has been provided there. So sometimes your URL can be something like a Google Sheet. Sometimes your URL can be a website and whatever it is that you want to open. So that is the hyperlink function. Okay, so see you in another session. Bye for now.